Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop your TV turning on with your PlayStation 5 Pro. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and select Settings, and then scroll on down until we get to System. Then we want to go to HDMI and go to the right, and this is going to be these two options right here. So this is Enable One Touch Play. If you turn on your PS5, the connected device TV will also turn on and switch this input to the PlayStation 5. So you want to go ahead and disable this so your TV doesn't turn on when you turn on your PS5. And then right below that, we have Enable Power Off Link. If you turn off the device connected to your PS5 will enter rest mode. So we have those two options. Otherwise, you could just completely disable One Touch or Device Link at the top. Now, Device Link allows you to control your PS5 with your TV remote, essentially. So you might want to leave that on and just go to these individually and turn them off, and then you should be good to go. Hopefully, this quick little video did indeed help you guys out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.